The Collaborative Instructor Hub is a central station where instructors can control all of the technology in DCS's active learning classrooms. The station itself can be raised or lowered using automated controls. Like more traditional rooms, instructors have access to a wide range of presentation sources. However, the Hub is also capable of distributing multiple images to any different combination of the room's many screens. The Hub also enables instructors to take images from student devices and distribute them to the room's screen. The Hub has two monitors, a preview monitor and a touchscreen. If the touchscreen is dark or displaying a screensaver, wake up the computer by pressing any key on the keyboard or clicking the mouse or trackpad. The keyboard and mouse or trackpad are kept in the drawer below the document camera. At the login screen, enter your Rutgers NetID and password, then press Enter. The desktop will load and display the room's controller. This is your interface for operating the room's requirement. If you lose this window, you can bring it back to the front by either double-clicking on the icon on the desktop or by clicking on the icon in the dock. The left column of the controller lists all the possible sources. When you are ready to display an image, you will start here by pressing one of these buttons. After you choose a source, a pop-up window will appear directing you to indicate to which displays you would like to send the image. The pop-up will show you all of the room's displays from your perspective as you face the touchscreen. Check off the displays where you would like to send the image by clicking or pressing each display. If you change your mind, you can select a display again to remove the checkmark. After you make a selection, that source button will turn red. You can also change your audio source. Whenever you send a new source to a display, that source will become the source for audio as well. However, if you would like to use a different audio source, you can manually select it from the list. For example, if you would like to show the document camera while playing audio from the Hub computer, you would select Document Camera from the source list, select the displays where you would like it to show, and then select Hub Computer from the audio list. If you would like to send the image to all of the displays, press Select All. When you have made your selections, press the Enter button or select Cancel to go back to the main screen. The top center section will change depending on what source was last chosen. The buttons in this section can be used to control the source and are explored in other videos. The bottom center section contains projector controls. In rooms with projectors, they can be used to turn projectors on or off, to blink the projectors, or to freeze the current image on the projector. After pressing one of these buttons, a pop-up window will appear asking you to indicate which projectors you would like to power on, power off, blink, or freeze. The right panel contains the volume sliders. The program volume controls the audio level for any sources you have chosen from the list on the left. The wireless microphone slider controls the audio for the instructor wireless microphone. The table microphone slider controls the level for the student microphones in certain rooms. Adjust the volume by dragging the slider or pressing anywhere on the slider. In the bottom right, use the Lock Table Controls button to enable or disable the student device connections. By default, the controls will be locked so that students cannot interrupt images you have sent to their monitors. To give students control, press the button. The padlock will unlock, indicating their controls are active. Press the Minimize button so that you can see other windows behind it. When you are finished using the Hub, pressing the Logout button will log you out and turn off all of the sources and displays. Some active learning classrooms will also have an additional panel on the right containing lighting presets. You can use these to switch between different light modes.